Friends, if a set A has 12 elements, find the number of subsets of A having 4 elements, at least 3 elements, at most 3 elements. Friends, in NCR is equal to, friends, NCR is equal, friends, NCR is equal to number of combinations of n things taken or at a time. Friends, NCR is equal to number of combinations of n things taken or at a time, or number of r element subsets, number of r element subsets of a set containing n elements. Friends, NCR is equal to number of combinations of n things taken or at a time is equal to NCR, or friends, number of r element subsets, of a set containing n elements also NCR. So here first question, number of subsets of having 4 elements. Friends, r element subsets NCR. So total n elements. R element subsets is equal to NCR. So here 4 element subset. What is the answer shown here? Friends, R element subsets of a set containing n elements is equal formula NCR. So here 4 element subsets. So here R is equal to 4. What is the answer here? Total 12 elements. Answer 12C4. So question number 1 answer 12C4. Question number 1. Number of subsets of A with exactly 4 elements. First question answer 12C4. This is question number 1. Next. Friends, question number 2. At least 3 elements. Friends, at least 3 means 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, up to friends, up to 12 elements. Friends, second question, at least 3 elements. Friends, at least 3 elements means 3 element subsets, 4 element subsets. Friends, 3 element subsets is equal answer, friends. Friends, R element subset is equal formula NCR. At least 3 elements. Friends, at least 3 elements is equal to, friends, number of subsets of A with exactly 3 elements. Friends, 3 elements is equal answer, friends. 12 say 3. At least 3 means 3 or 4 or 5. Next 4 elements subsets. Number of subsets A with exactly 4 elements is equal to 12C4. Next number of subsets A with exactly 5 elements. Answer 12C5. Up to last, friends, 12 elements. Friends, second question answer. Friends, completed. Friends, at least 3 means minimum 3. 3 element subsets, 4 element subsets, 5 element subsets, 6 element subsets, 7 element subsets, 8 element subsets, 9 element subsets, 10 elements, 11, up to last here 12 element subsets. Friends, last etc. Number of subsets, friends, up to last number of subsets. So number of subsets number of subsets of A with at least 3 elements. Friends, is equal formula 12C3 plus 12C4 12C5 12C5 plus 12C6 plus 12C7 plus 12C8 plus 12C9 plus 12C10 plus 12C11 plus 12C12. So this is the answer, friends. 12C12. 12C12. Friends, NC naught plus NC1 etc. NCN is equal formula 2 power n. Friends, NC naught plus NC1 plus etc. NCN is equal to 2 power n. Friends, 12C naught plus 12C1 etc. 12C12 is equal answer 2 power 12. But here 12C3, so here 12C3, 12C4 up to last 12C12. So here add 12C0 plus 12C1 plus 12C2 plus 12C3 etc. 12C12. So here add 12C0, 12C1, 12C2. So subtract minus 12C0 minus 12C1 minus 12C2. So that is equal answer. Friends, 12C0 plus 12C1 plus 12C2, 12C12 is equal answer 2 power 12 minus 12C0 1, 12C1 12, just 12C2 is equal 12 into 11 by 2 into 1, here 2 6 are 12. Friends, 2 power 12 is equal, friends, 2 power 12. So 2 power 12, 496. 2 power 12, 496 minus 13, minus 13 minus 66. So answer 4096, 66 plus 13 friends, 70, 79, 79. So 16, 7 here, 1, 4017, so answer 4017. This is the second problem. Friends, third question, question number 3. Friends, question number 3, at most 3 elements, friends. At most 3 elements. Question number 3. Friends, at most 3 means 1 element subsets, 2 element subsets, last value 3 element subsets, 0 element subsets, 1 element subsets, 2 element subsets, 3 element subsets. Friends, number of subsets, next third question, number of subsets of A with at most 3 elements. At most 3 elements. Friends, at most 3 means 1 element subsets, 2 element subsets, 3 elements, maximum 3 elements. Least 0, friends. 12C0 plus 12C1 plus 12C2 plus 12C3. So that is equal answer 12C0 1, 12C1 2. Friends, 12C2 is equal, friends, 12C2 is equal 66 plus 12C3, 12 into 11 into 10 by 3 into 2. Here 2, so 22 into 10, 220. So that is equal answer 299. Friends, at most 3 elements, at most 3, maximum 3 element subsets, 2 element subsets, next 1 element subsets, 0 element subsets, minimum 0, maximum 3. So in the IP problem, friends, IP last exercise, third Roman question number 2. Friends, this syllabus is deleted, friends, this syllabus is deleted. Friends, combinations, friends, in permutation, first exercise and last exercise, remaining 2 exercises are deleted. In last exercise, only first Roman, second Roman, third Roman also deleted, friends. In third Roman also deleted. IP first exercise, last exercise. In last exercise, third Roman deleted. Friends, ఇప్పుడు మనం చెప్పే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనే థర్డ్ రోమన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. థర్డ్ రోమన్. Okay, friends, next problem. Friends, next problem. Find the next question. Find the number of ways. Find the number of ways of selecting a cricket team. A cricket team of 11 players. Of 11 players. Of 11 players from 7 batsmen. From 7 batsmen. From 7 batsmen and 6 bowlers. And 6 bowlers. And 6 bowlers. Such that there will be at least 5 bowlers. At least 5 bowlers. At least 5 bowlers in the team. Friend, find the next question. Find the number of ways of selecting a cricket team of 11 players from 7 batsmen and 6 bowlers, such that there will be at least 5 bowlers in the team. So at least 5 bowlers. So here 7 batsmen. Here 7 batsmen. Here 6 bowlers. So here total 11 players, friends. In 11 players, at least 5 bowlers, friends. At least 5 bowlers. And at least 5 bowlers means minimum 5 bowlers. First select 5 bowlers. Friends, number of ways. Here number of ways. Friends, 6 bowlers. Here what is the condition? At least 5 bowlers. Friends, minimum 5 bowlers. So first select 5 bowlers. Here 6 batsmen. Total 11. Here 5, here 6. Next select 6 bowlers. Here 5 batsmen. Suppose select 7 bowlers, but here only 6 bowlers, friends. 7 bowlers మనం select చేయడానికి only last 5 bowlers, 6 batsmen, 6 bowlers, 5 batsmen. These are the two cases only, friends. Friends, 7 out of 7 batsmen select 6 batsmen. 7C6 into 6 bowlers. Out of 6 bowlers select 5 bowlers. 6C5. Next second case. Out of 7 batsmen, select 5 batsmen, 7C5 into out of 6 bowlers, select 6 bowlers, 6C6. Friends, 7C6 is equal to what is the answer? 7C6, friends. Friends, 7C6 is equal to NCR is equal to NCN minus R. 7C 7 minus 6, 7C1. Friends, this value is 7C1, 7. Friends, 6C5 is equal to 6C 6 minus 5. 6C1 6. Friends, 7C5 is equal to 7C 7 minus 5. 7C2, friends. 7C2 is equal to 7 into 6 by 2 into 1. 2 3s are. And this value is 21. 6 is 6. 1. 21 into 1. Friends, 7 6 are 42 plus 21. 42 plus 21, friends, 63 answer. Answer 63. Students, have understood the problem? Okay, so next problem. Friends, a important model. There are 8 railway stations. 8 railway stations along a railway line. Along a railway line. Along a railway line. In how many ways? In how many ways? In how many ways can a train? Can a train be stopped? Be stopped at three of these stations. These stations. These stations such that no two of them are no two of them are consecutive. One second. Friends, there are 8 railway stations along a railway line. In how many ways can a train be stopped at 3 of these stations such that no two of them are consecutive? Friends, no two boys are come together means first arrange. Suppose 6 boys, 6 girls. No two boys come together means first arrange girls. Friends, here there are 8 railway stations along a railway line. In how many ways can a train be stopped at 3 of the stations? So here, stopping stations 3. Friends, non-stopping stations is equal friends. Here, friends, here train stopped at 3 of the stations. Friends, non-stopping stations is equal to friends, non-stopping stations is equal to 5. Non-stopping stations is equal 5. Friends, suppose 6 boys, 6 girls. Suppose no two boys come together means first arrange 6 girls. So here train stopped at 3 of the stations such that no two of them are consecutive means first arrange non-stopping station. Here how many non-stopping stations? 5. First arrange 5 stations. How many ways, friends? How many ways? 5 factorial. 5 factorial is correct answer. 5 stopping non-stop station arrangement how many ways? So suppose 5 letters A. How many arrangements? Suppose 5 letters. Total arrangements is equal to 5 factorial by and similar letters by 5 factorial 1. Okay, no? Here A is repeated 5 times here. Answer 5 factorial by 5 factorial. Here 9 non-stopping stations is equal to total 5. ఇప్పుడు స్టేషన్స్ అంటే కాజీపేట ఒకటి రైల్వే అంటే వరంగల్ ఒకలాగా ఉంటుంది అన్ని రైల్వే స్టేషన్ అన్ని సిమిలర్ So answer only arrangement 5 factorial by 5 factorial one way. And the first arrange non-stopping stations 1, non-stopping stations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one is non-stopping stations 5. So here train can be stopped at 3 of these stations. So 5 non-stopping, first arrange 5 non-stopping stations. How many gaps here? 6 gaps. But train stopped at 3 stations. Answer 6P3. సో మీరు 5 నాన్ స్టాపింగ్ స్టేషన్స్ అరేంజ్ చేస్తే ఎన్ని గ్యాప్స్ వస్తాయి? 6 గ్యాప్స్ వస్తాయి. కానీ ట్రైన్ ఎన్ని స్టేషన్స్ లాగా ఇక్కడ 3 స్టేషన్స్ కదా, 6P3 స్టేషన్ 3 స్టేషన్స్ సిమిలర్ by 3 factorial. This is the answer friends. This is 1 into 6P3 by 3 factorial. So that is equal to, friends, 6P3 by 3 factorial is equal, friends, NPR by R factorial is equal formula NCR. Friends, 6P3 by 3 factorial is equal to 63. 63 is equal 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1. Here 6 get cancelled. Answer 20. Friends, first arrange 5 non-stopping stations. Stations all are similar. So 5 stations can be arranged in 5 factorial by 5 factorial. Only one way. Arrangement is only one way. First arrange 5 non-stopping stations. How many gaps here? 6 gaps. In 6 gaps, train stopped at 3 stations. 6P3. 3 stations are similar. So 6P3 by 3 factorial. That is equal to 63. So 63 is equal to answer 20. Answer 20. Next problem. Friend, this is very important model. 8 railway stations along a railway line. In how many ways can a train be stopped at 3 of these stations, such that no 2 of them are consecutive? First arrange 5 non-stopping stations. 5 factorial by 5 factorial. One way. First 5 non-stopping stations. How many gaps? 6 gaps. But train stopped at 3 stations. So 6P3 ways. But all the stations are similar. 6P3 by 3 factorial. So NCR by R factorial is equal NCR. NPR by R factorial is equal NCR. 63. 63 is equal 20. Next problem. Find the number of ways of forming a committee. Next question. Find the number of ways. Find the number of ways of forming a committee. Forming a committee of 5 members. Of 5 members out of 6 Indians. 6 Indians and 5 Americans. And 5 Americans. So that always the Indians will be in majority. In majority in the committee. Friends, find the number of ways of forming a committee. Total 5 members out of 6 Indians. Friends, 6 Indians, 5 Americans. Friends, what is the answer? Number of ways is equal. Friends, select 5 members. Select 5 members. In 5 members, here what is the condition? Majority. Friends, Indians will be the majority. How many ways, friends? Indians will be majority. Friends, 3 Indians, 2 Americans, 4 Indians. So 3 Indians, 2 Americans, 4 Indians, 1 American. Next, friends, 5 Indians, 0 Americans. Friends, these three are only 3 cases. Friends, suppose 2 Indians, 3 Americans, but here condition Indians will be majority. So 3 Indians, 2 Americans, 4 Indians, 1 American, 5 Indians, 0 Americans. Friends, total number of years is equal to out of 6 Indians, select 3 Indians, 63 into 5 Americans, select 2 Americans, 5 Next, here second case, 6 out of 6 Indians, select 4 Indians, 64 out of 5 Americans, select 1 American, 5 Next, third question, third case, 65 into 5 Friends, 63 is equal to 63, 20, 5 10, 64 means 62. Friends, 62 is equal 6 into 5 by 2 into 1. 2 3s are 6, 15. 15 into 5. 15 5s are 75. This is 1. 65 is 6. Total answer, friends, 200 plus 75 plus 6. 281 answer. Answer 281. Friends, IP last question. A class contains contains a class contains 4 boys and G girls. Friends, here total G girls. Every Sunday, every Sunday, 5 students. Every Sunday, 5 students with at least with at least 3 boys go for a picnic. Go for a picnic. Go for a picnic. A different group is being sent every week. During the picnic, during the picnic. The class teacher gives each girl in the group a doll with the total number of dolls if the total number of dolls distributed is 85. Find G. Students, this question in level 3, students, IP last problem. Students, in level 3, this question level 3. Students, level 3, question number 13, students. This question also, level 3, 13th question also. Students, level 3, 13th question also, students, IP last problem, last exercise, last problem. And level 3, third problem. So here a class contains 4 girls, students. Here 4 girls, G girls. Sorry, 4 boys, G girls. 4 boys, G girls. Every Sunday, 5 students with at least 3 boys go for a picnic. A different group is being sent every week. During the picnic, the class teacher gives each girl in the group a doll. Students, suppose 2 girls take 2 dolls. Suppose 3 girls take 3 dolls. Suppose 5 girls take 5 dolls. So here, how many students here? How many selections here? Select 5 students. Here, select 5 students. Students, at least 3 boys. Students, at least 3 boys. Boys 3 boys. So total 5 boys. Total 4 boys. Minimum 3 boys. So at least 3 boys means 3 boys, 4 boys, 5 boys, 6 boys, up to etc. So here, first select 3 boys. Students, 2 girls, 4 boys. At least 3 means 3 boys, minimum 3. 2 girls, 4 boys, 1 girl. Here only 4 boys. Next, suppose you select 5 boys. No, students, only 2 cases. So here, 2 girls. So out of 4 boys, select 3 boys is equal answer 4C3. G girls, select 2 girls, GC2. Friends, here 2 girls, take 2 dolls. Suppose 3 girls take 3 dolls. Friends, here 2 into 4C3 into GC2. This is case 1. Plus 4 boys, out of 4 boys, select 4 boys, 4C4. Here 1 girl, so here 1 girl, GC1. Friends, 1 girl take 1 doll. So total number of dolls distributed is equal to this value gives 85. That value is equal to 85. Okay, students, have understood? Students, 2 dolls అయితే మీరు 2 girls అయితే 2 dolls తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. ఒకవేళ 4 girls అయితే 4 dolls తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. ఇక్కడ 2 girls కాబట్టి into 2 dolls. ఇక్కడ 1 girl, 1 doll into 1. So total number of dolls distributed is equal to answer 85. This value is equal to 85. Simplify, students. 2 into 4C3. 4C3 is equal to 4C3 is equal to 4. 2 into 4 into GC2 is equal to G into G minus 1 by 2. 4C4 1. GC1 G is equal to 85. Here 2 to get cancelled. 4G square minus 4G plus G minus 85 is equal to 0. Minus 85 is equal to 0. So 4G square. 4G square minus 3G minus 85 is equal to 0. Right factor, students. 85 into 3. 85 into 4. Sorry, 85 into 4. 85 4s. 4 5s are 20. 4 8s are 32. 340. So 340. 170. 2 8s are 16. 85. 5 ones, 5 17s. Factors, friends, factors. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. So 20 into 17, 20 into 17, 4g square minus 20g plus 17g minus 85 is equal to 0. So take 4g common, g minus 5 plus 17 common, g minus 5 is equal to 0. Take g minus 5 common, 4g plus 17 is equal to 0. Friends, here g is equal to 5. So total 5 girls, friends, total girls is equal to 5. Find g. Answer g is equal to 5. Here fraction, friend, here 4g is equal minus 17. G is equal minus 17 by 4. So answer 5 girls. Answer 5 girls. Answer 5 girls. Students completed. Next problem. Students, level 3, question number 4. Level 3, question number 4. 18 guests have to be seated off on each side of on each side of a long table for particular guest. Friends, level 3, question number 4. For particular guest desire to sit on one particular side and three others on the other side. On the other side. The number of ways in which the sitting arrangements can be made. Friends, level 3, question number 4. So 18 guests have to be seated off on each side. So off on each side means one side 9 members, other side also 9 members. Friends, off on each side. Friends, one side 9 members, Other also 9 members. So here, what is the condition? 4 particular guests desire to sit only one particular side. So 4 particular guests desire to one sit on one particular side. Suppose I am taking 4 persons here, sit here, one side. 3 others on the other side. So here, 3 others on the next table. So out of 18 students, out of 18, here 4, here 3, total 7. 18 minus 7 is equal 11. Friends, here remaining 11 members. Friend, here every side 9 members. Here 9 members. Here 9 members. So here remaining 11 members. Here how many places here? Friends, here total 9 members. Here 4 members. Remaining 5 members. Friend, first select 5 members. 11C5. Friends, here 4. Here 3. Total 7. Total 11, 18, 18 minus 7 is equal 11. So here already 7 places filled, friends. In one particular side here, how many remaining persons friend here? 5 persons. So first 5, select 5 persons, 11C5. Arrange 5 persons here, one side. Friends, here total 9 persons. Friends, 9 persons can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇంకా ఆల్టర్నేట్ లేదు. రిమైనింగ్ హియర్ 6 మెంబర్స్ మనం ఇక్కడ పంపించాల్సిందే. ఈ సెలెక్షన్ ఓన్లీ 1 అవుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. సెలెక్షన్ ఓన్లీ 1. సో అరేంజ్మెంట్ ఈజ్ 9 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్. ఆన్సర్ 11C5 into 9 factorial into 9 factorial. Friends, only one each side 9 members. Once each side 9 members. Here 9, here 9. Here what is the condition? 4 particular guests only one side. Suppose I am taking 4 members are in this side. Next 3 members on other side. Here 3 members are in. Here's 4 plus total 7 persons are arranged. 7 persons. Remaining total out of 18. Here 7. So 18 minus 7 is equal 11. So in remaining 11 persons. Here how many persons will fill it? Here how many persons can be arranged here? Total 9. Here 4 are completed. Here remaining only 5 persons arranged. First select 5 persons. 11C5. Friends, here మనం 5 persons arrange చేసిన తర్వాత రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ వాళ్ళని సెకండ్ అదర్ సైడ్ పంపించాల్సిందే. ఆ సెలెక్షన్ ఓన్లీ 1 వే అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ టోటల్ పర్సన్స్ 9 మెంబర్స్. ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఫస్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ అరేంజ్ చేయాలి. 9 persons 9 factorial. Here also 9 persons 9 factorial. 11C5 into 9 factorial into 9 factorial. Friends, any doubts? Eleven C 6, sir. 11C6. ఫస్ట్ ఓన్లీ వన్స్ వాడు ఏదైతే మెన్షన్ చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ ఈ సైడ్ ఫిల్ చేయాలి. తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ మెన్షన్ చేసిన సైడ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఫస్ట్ వాళ్ళనే అరేంజ్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు ఫిల్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ లేదు కదా, ఇక్కడికే పంపించాలి కదా. సెలక్షన్ ఓన్లీ 1 వేనే. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ వీళ్ళు ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ప్లేస్ ఉంది, ఇంకా 4 మెంబర్స్ పోతే ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ 9 కదా ఇక్కడ ఫిల్ చేయాల్సింది. ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ 5 persons ఉంటారు. ఫస్ట్ వీళ్ళు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. 11C5 into ఇప్పుడు ఆల్టర్నేట్ లేదు. రిమైనింగ్ పర్సన్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళని నెక్స్ట్ సైడ్ పంపించాల్సింది. సెలక్షన్ 1 అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ సైడ్ 9 మెంబర్స్, ఇక్కడ 9 ఇక్కడ 9. నెక్స్ట్ అరేంజ్ చేయాలి 9 factorial 9 factorial. సర్క్యులర్ మోడల్లో మీకు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది, అంటే సింగేజ్ లో ఉంది, అది రేపు చెప్తాను. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ సర్క్యులర్ మీద ఇదే మోడల్ ఒక 3 questions అంటే లింక్డ్ కాంపిటీషన్ ఒక ప్యాసేజ్ ఉంది, అది రేపు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. సర్క్యులర్ లో మీకు డిఫరెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒక 3 కేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి ఇలాంటి మోడల్, అవి రేపు క్లాస్ లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీకు ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లం డౌట్ వస్తే మీకు ఐపీలో ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది. మీకు 2A టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఐపీలో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఉంది, ఇదే మోడల్ ట్రై చేయండి. డబుల్ డెక్కర్ మినీ బస్ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది, అది ట్రై చేయండి ఆ ప్రాబ్లం. Next problem. If there are 5 periods, next question, friends. If there are 5 periods in each working day, friends, level 3 question number 5. Level 3 question number 5. If there are 5 periods in each working day of a school, question number 5, level 3 question number 5, then the number of ways that you can arrange 4 subjects during the working day. During the working days. Friends, if there are 5 periods in each working day of a school, then the number of ways that you can arrange 4 subjects. So here 5 periods, but to arrange only 4 subjects. So how many periods here? 5. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. But 5 periods here, only 4 subjects. Maths A, Maths B, Physics, Chemistry. మరి 5th పీరియడ్ ఏం చేస్తారు? 5th పీరియడ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, 5th పీరియడ్, బట్ హియర్ ఓన్లీ అరేంజ్ 4 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ బట్ 5 పీరియడ్స్. ఇక్కడ టోటల్ పీరియడ్స్ వచ్చి 5 పీరియడ్స్. మనం అరేంజ్ చేస్తాం ఓన్లీ 4 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ని. హౌ మెనీ వేస్ దే కెన్ బి అరేంజ్ అడుగుతున్నాడు క్వశ్చన్. ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఆర్ 5 పీరియడ్స్ ఇన్ ఈచ్ వర్కింగ్ డే ఆఫ్ ఎ స్కూల్, then the number of ways that you can arrange 4 subjects. 4 subjects arrange చేయాలి 5 periods. How many ways they can be arranged? అంటే 5 periods లో ఓన్లీ 4 subjects ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. అంటే వీటిలో ఏదో ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది, అంతేనా? అంటే ఇక్కడ 5 periods ఉన్నాయి, ఓన్లీ 4 subjects, అంటే ఏదో ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ రిపీట్ అవ్వాలి. అంటే ఈ 4 periods లో ఏదో ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఆ రిపీట్ అయ్యే సబ్జెక్ట్ తెలియదు కదా, దాన్ని 1 సబ్జెక్ట్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. 4C1 into. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ 5 periods అరేంజ్ చేయాలి 5 factorial by. ఇక్కడ 2 subjects రిపీట్ అవుతున్నాయి కదా, by 2 factorial. ఆన్సర్ 4C1 into 5 factorial by 2 factorial. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ 4 టోటల్ 5 periods ఉన్నాయి, బట్ హియర్ 4 subjects ఉన్నాయి. దీంట్లో ఏదో ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. టోటల్ 4 subjects ఉన్నాయి కదా, 1 subject రిపీట్ అవుతుంది. 1 subject, ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ 4C1 into టోటల్ ఎన్ని 5 periods కదా, 5 factorial. దాంట్లో ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ రిపీట్ అవుతుంది కదా, 2 times రిపీట్ అవుతుంది కదా, by 2 factorial. 4C1 into 5 factorial by 2 factorial. సేమ్ ఇదే మోడల్ మీరు ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ ట్రై చేయండి. లెవెల్ 3, సేమ్ ఇదే మోడల్, లెవెల్ 3 క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 58. Question number 58. Try చేయండి. Level 3 question number 58, same model. Okay, so next problem. Next question. So it's level 3 question number 26. Level 3 question number 26. Given that n is odd, the number of ways the number of ways in which three numbers in AP can be selected from 1, 2, 3, etc. n. So here n is odd. Given that n is odd, the number of ways in which three numbers in AP can be selected out of from n numbers. Friends, here three numbers are in AP. Here n is odd. So I am taking n is odd number. I am taking 2m plus 1. Friends, out of 2m plus 1, m even numbers, m plus 1 odd numbers. So here n is odd. So I am taking odd number 2m plus 1. So odd number of the form 2m plus 1. So 2m plus 1, out of 2m plus 1 numbers, m even numbers, m plus 1 odd numbers. Okay, friends? Total 2n plus 1. Friends, n is equal to 2m plus 1 odd numbers. Friends, out of 2m plus 1 odd numbers, m even numbers, m plus 1 odd numbers. Okay, friends? Have understood, friends? ఇక్కడ odd number n is odd number of the form 2n plus 1 odd number even number 2n odd number 2n plus 1. Okay, friends. So here three numbers are in AP. Friends, suppose I am taking ABC are in AP. What is the formula? 2b is equal to a plus c. So here 2b is equal to a plus c. Friends, here a plus is equal to 2b. 2b means even number. Friends, sum of two numbers is even number. Sum of two numbers even number. Friends, sum of two numbers is even number. అంటే మనకి ఏ టూ నెంబర్స్ సమ్ చేసి ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. So here what is the condition? Three numbers are in AP. Friends, suppose I am taking three numbers ABC. ABC are in AP. 2b is equal to a plus c. So 2b is equal to a plus c. A plus c is equal to 2b means this is even number. Sum of two numbers is even number. Friends, sum of two numbers is even number. What is the condition? ఏ two numbers యాడ్ చేస్తే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. అంటే two odd numbers, two even numbers. ఓకేనా? Here m even numbers. So select two even numbers. MC2. Next m plus 1 odd number. Select two numbers. m plus 1 C2. So MC2 friends, MC2 plus m plus 1 C2. Okay, friends, MC2 is equal to m into m minus 1 by 2 plus, so out of two even numbers, friends, select two even numbers, MC2, m plus 1 odd number, select two odd number, m plus 1 C2. Friends, m plus 1 C2 is equal to m plus 1 into m by 2. So here LCM is 2. So here m square minus m plus m square plus m. So minus m plus m get cancelled. 2m square by 2. So here 2 to get cancelled. M square. Friends, m is equal to n minus 1 by 2. n minus 1 by 2 whole square. This is the answer. n minus 1 by 2 whole square. Friends, answer n minus 1 whole square by 4. n minus 1 whole square by 4. Answer n minus 1 whole square by 4. Okay, students, next problem. Next question. Friends, 28. Question number 28. In a plane, there are two families, two families, two families of lines, two family of lines. Y is equal to x plus r, y is equal to minus x plus r, where r belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since r belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the number of squares, the number of squares, the number of squares, the number of squares of diagonals of the length 2 units, of the length 2 units, of the length 2 units, formed by the lines is, formed by the lines. So here diagonal length, friends, y is equal x plus r. So here two family of lines, y is equal x plus r, y is equal minus x plus r, where r belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of squares, here calculate number of squares of diagonals of length 2 units. So here length of the diagonal is 2 units. Here how many squares is equal to? Here how many squares? 9 squares are 16 squares, 25, 36. And here first option 9 squares, second option 16 squares, third option 25, fourth option 36. So here friends 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Friends, here I am taking r is equal 0. Friends, I am taking r is equal 0. Y is equal x, y is equal minus x. Friends, y is equal x. And this is y is equal to x. And this is y is equal to minus x. And this is y is equal to minus x. This is y is equal to x. Friends, second line, y is equal to x plus 1. Friends, y is equal to x plus 1. Friends, this is y is equal to x plus 1. Friends, this is y is equal to x plus 1. Y is equal to x plus 2. Friends, y is equal to x plus 3. Friends, y is equal to x plus 4. Next, friends, y is equal, friends, this is y is equal to x. Y is equal to x plus 1. Friends, this is y is equal to x plus 1. This is y is equal to x plus 2. Y is equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to x plus 4. Friends, next, y is equal, friends, next line, y is equal to minus x plus 1. So this is y is equal to minus x plus 1. Y is equal to minus x plus 2. Y is equal to minus x plus 3. Y is equal to minus x plus 4. Okay, friends? Okay, so you have understood. So this is y is equal to x. This is y is equal to minus x. Next, friends, y is equal to x plus 1. Y is equal to x plus 2. Y is equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to x plus 4. Y is equal to minus x. Friends, this is y is equal to minus x plus 1. Okay, friends. What is this? So this is a square. From here, this is a square. This is also a square. Friends, here, friends, here, this is a square. Friends, this square is diagonal length is equal. Friends, diagonal length is equal to, friends, this length is equal to this length. Here 0 to 1, friends, this length 1. This length 1. Friends, this length also 1. So here diagonal length is equal, friends, this length 1, friends, 1. 1 or 1 by root 2, friends. So here 0 comma 0, friends, here 0 comma 0. So this is y is equal minus x plus 1. So this line is y is equal to minus x plus 1. So this point is 0, comma 0. So perpendicular distance from 0, comma 0 to y is equal to minus x plus 1 is, so perpendicular distance from origin to the line is equal, so perpendicular distance formula mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square, so that is equal to, so here 0, comma 0, friends, x1 0, y1 0, friends, x plus y minus 1 is equal to, friends, ax1, a is 1, 1 into 0, 0, b y1, b is 1, 1 into 0, 0, plus c minus 1 by root of a square plus b square, friends, 1 by root 2. Friends, this length is 1 by root 2, friends, this length is 1 by root 2. Friends, this length also 1 by root 2. Square, all sides are equal, friends. What is diagonal, friends? Diagonal is equal, friends. Here angle is 90. So diagonal is equal, friends, 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square. Friends, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Friends, 1. Friends, this diagonal length is 1. Friends, here this square is diagonal length 1. But here calculate diagonal length of 2, friends. So what is the square? So here diagonal length 2. Diagonal, so this square length 1. Here diagonal length 2 means, friends, here this is diagonal length 2. Here calculate this square. So here calculate this type of the square. This type of the squares here. So this is one square. Next, this is also a second square. And this is also third square. So friends, total 4 squares, friends. This is 1 square. This is second square. Total 4 squares, friends. Total 4. 1, 2, 3. Total 4 squares, friends. Total 4. Sorry, total 3, friends. Total 3. 1 second, friends. So here this diagonal length is 1. But here calculate square of the diagonal length 2 units, friends. Here friends, this diagonal length 1 unit. Here diagonal length 2 means, here calculate this type of the square. So this is 1 square. This is second square. So this is third square. Total 3 squares. In this model, 3 squares. Next, again, all of you look at the board, friends. This is 1 square. Next, so this is also second square. This is also third square. So total squares is equal, friends. 3 into 3. Answer 9 ways. Total 9, friends. Should you have understood? Should you have understood or not? So here, 2 lines, family of lines, y is equal x plus r, y is equal minus x plus r. Friends, 0, 1, 2, friends, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Friends, first line is y is equal x, friends, y is equal x. Friends, this is y is equal x. Friends, this is y is equal to x line. This is y is equal, friends, this is y is equal to x plus 1. And this is y is equal to x plus 2. This is y is equal to x plus 3. This is y is equal to x plus 4. Next, friends, this is y is equal minus x line. So this is y is equal to minus x. Y is equal to minus x plus 1. Y is equal to minus x plus 2. Y is equal to minus x plus 3. Y is equal to minus x plus 4. Here, diagonal length 2 units. Friends, here, this line is here. This line is y is equal to, this line is y is equal to minus x. So this line is y is equal to minus x plus 1. So here calculate this distance. So this distance is equal, perpendicular distance from 0, 0 to y is equal to minus x plus 1. So that is equal perpendicular distance formula mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So here a is 1, x1 is 0, 1 into 0, 0, b is 1, 1 into 0, 0, minus c by root of a square plus b square. So here this length 1 by root 2. Squares all sides are equal. This length also 1 by root 2. This length 1 by root 2. This length also 1 by root 2. Here diagonals of length 2 units. This diagonal length is 1 unit. Here calculate diagonal length 2 means this type of the square. This type of the squares, how many squares here? This is 1 square. So this is another square. So this is another square. Total 3 squares. In this one 3 squares. So here this is also 1 square. Next friends, this is also another square. This is also third square. So how many ways here? 3 into 3, 9 ways. Answer 9 squares. So total calculate how many squares this type of model. Total 9 squares formed. Okay, students, have understood? Students, end the class. Students, have understood or not? మీరు 2 by 2 స్క్వేర్ మీరు ఈ స్క్వేర్ లెంత్ ఈ డయాగనల్ లెంత్ 1 ఇక డయాగనల్ లెంత్ 2 అంటే మనం ఈ స్క్వేర్ ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ స్క్వేర్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ స్క్వేర్స్ మొత్తం 9 వస్తాయి టోటల్ 9 స్క్వేర్స్ వస్తాయి ఆన్సర్ 9 ఓకే స్టూడెంట్ ఎండ్ ద క్లాస్ టుడే ప్రాక్టీస్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫర్ సండే కాంబినేషన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎండ్ ద క్లాస్